In our last video, we showed you how to identify what type of firm your target company is. Now we're ready to get started with the research. In this video, we'll provide you an overview of the website and how to use it to conduct your corporate investigation. To begin, on the home page, click on the icon that represents the type of firm you've identified. We're going to click on U.S. publicly traded firms. And as you can see on the landing page, we provide a basic overview of the kinds of primary documents that are available for this type of firm. In this case, these are largely documents submitted to the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. And if you were to click on one, for example, Form 10-K, the annual report that all firms must send to the Securities and Exchange Commission, we provide you an outline of what's contained on that form. Returning back to the landing page for U.S. publicly traded firms, if we scroll down, we can click on the Private Sector Research chart. This chart represents a comprehensive model for corporate research and 24 areas where you'll want to make sure you gather information. You'll probably want to spend more time with this chart and maybe printing it out before you proceed. To understand more about this model, you can also read the Beating Global Capital article in the resource section. Returning to that landing page, you can see along the right-hand side are 24 questions, which correspond to the 24 questions on the research chart. And for each of them, we'll provide a series of sub-questions and links to where to find that information. If we click, for example, on number 2, products and services, you can see we ask a series of sub-questions to help you direct your research, and then links to websites where you can find that information. For example, if you want to find Form 10-K, you can go to the SEC's EDGAR database and type in your company's name. If you're new to corporate research, we suggest that you conduct your research in the order we've suggested. You should also look for a number of short videos we've created to help you use specific websites. On the landing page, we've also provided you with a worksheet. That worksheet is a list of all the questions and sub-questions, and you can use it as a guide for your research, or you can use it to cut and paste information as you go along. If you go back to our home page, you can see that in the Getting Started section, we also provide some more tips on how to conduct online research. And at the bottom of the page, on the bottom menu, you see our resource section contains a great deal of information, including charts and resource material, that'll help you guide your research. Welcome to the website, and good luck with your project.